무엇인가 누가 묻면 우리는 대답하리라. 마지막 순간에 뒤돌아볼 때 웃으며 추억할 지난 날이라고.
생이란 무엇인가 누가 물으면 우리는 대답하리라.
It turns out it's not that hard to get a country to go to war. Even in a country like the United States, where there is freedom of information, multiple media channels, that the administration can just dominate the debate, dominate the argument.
We have this idea that we have lots of information available. There's so much that's not available, and so much of the truth, quote unquote, is obscured by political actors who don't want the world to see what they're doing.
Needless to say, the president is correct.
What's going on, I'm sorry to say, is a belief that the public doesn't need to know.
New policy is.
I'm working my way over to figuring out how I won't answer that.
Limiting access, limiting information to cover the backsides of those who are in charge of the law is extremely dangerous and cannot and should be acceptable. And I'm sorry to say, but up to and including the moment of this interview, that overwhelmingly it has been accepted.
The Pentagon, for many years now, since Vietnam, has worked extremely hard at shaping news and how the media reports that news. We train people to say certain things in a certain way.
Our defeat and humiliation in South Vietnam.
What they learned from Vietnam, above all, was that they lost the war because they couldn't keep it private from the American public.